Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to use onX Offroad navigation. So if you're ready to navigate trails using the app, then just follow along. First, open the onX Offroad app and allow location permissions if you haven't already. Then search for a trail, campsite, or destination, or open one of your previously saved routes. Then tap navigate or select the routes you want to follow. The app will display your current location and guide you along the selected trail. And as you travel, you can monitor your position, distance, direction, and nearby points of interest directly on the map. And if you're driving in an area without mobile service, make sure you've downloaded the offline maps beforehand so navigation continues to work. You can also record your track during the trip to review or share it later. Following the map while keeping an eye on trail markers will help you stay on the correct route throughout your adventure. So that was how to use onX Offroad navigation. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.